वेलकम टू मेडिकल डिवर फ्रेंड्स। आज वीडियो लेके आए हैं जो बीएससी नर्सिंग या फिर नीट एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन के लिए बायोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज लेके आया हूँ विथ एक्सप्लेशन। तो चलिए फ्रेंड स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो पहला आज का हमारा पार्ट 2 का पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सॉइल बैक्टीरियम प्रोड्यूस अ प्रोटीन ऑब्लिक केमिकल दैट इज टॉक्सिक टू इंसेक्ट पेस्ट। ऑप्शन नंबर ए प्रोटियोबैक्टीरिया, बी बैसिलस थर्निन जेनेसिस, सी स्पायरोकिट्स एंड डी ट्राइकोडर्मा। एंड करेक्ट आंसर फ्रेंड्स, करेक्ट आंसर इज द बी बैसिलस। एंड एक्सप्लेशन इस प्रकार है फ्रेंड्स, बैसिलस thuringiensis is a soil bacterium. It produces a crystal protein. Cry-dried spores are mixed with water and spread on plants. Cry protein is produced in a inactive form, but when it is ingested by insect, it enters the gut of insects and become an active toxin and kills them. Next questions, what is sarcomere? Option number A, part between two H lines, B, part between two A lines, C, part between two I bands, and D, part between two Z lines. And correct answer is the D. And each myofibril contains a serially arranged unit called sarcomere, which is functional unit of muscle fibers. Each sarcomere has a central A band made of thick myosin filaments and two half I bands made of thin actin filaments on either side of it, marked by Z lines. Next question number 18. The site of ADA production in the body is option number A, neutrophils, B, lymphocytes, C, blood plasma, and D, monocytes. ADH production site, correct answer is lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are type of white blood cells present in the bone marrow. ADA, adenosine diamynase, is an enzyme that is present in lymphocytes and it is very important for the immune system to function. The deficiency of this enzyme caused SCID. Question number 19. Which one of the following can utilize molecular nitrogen as a nutrient for growth? Option number A, rhizobium, B, spirogyra, C, mucor, and D, methanococcus. And correct answer is the A, rhizobium. And nitrogen is unavailable for use by most organisms because there is a triple bond between the two nitrogen atoms, making the molecule almost inert. In order to use the nitrogen for growth, it must be fixed, combined in the form of ammonium ions or nitrate ions. Some bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen like rhizobium, azobacter, etc. Next questions, tobacco and petunia belongs to the family. Option number A, Poaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and Brassicaceae. And correct answer is C number, Solanaceae. And tobacco plants, जिसका वैज्ञानिक नाम निकोटीनिया tabacum, il tobacco, while petunia is an ornamental plant. Both the plants are the member of family Solanaceae. Next questions, in lichen sexual reproductions belong to option number A, fungal partner only, algal partner only, C. Both fungal and algal partners, and D. Neither fungal or algal partner. And correct answer is a fungal partner only. Lichens exhibited the symbiotic association between algae and fungi. The fungal partner is involved in sexual reproduction with the help of reproductive structures called apothecia. Question number 22. If Cowper's glands are removed, it will affect option number A, erection of penis, sperms, sex recognition and sexual behavior. तो कॉपर्स ग्लैंड को अगर रिमूव कर दिया जाता है तो क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा? करेक्ट आंसर है फ्रेंड्स आंसर नंबर बी, स्पर्म. कॉपर्स ग्लैंड इज located inferior to the prostate glands and lateral to the urethra. The Cowper's glands are only found in the male body and play an important role in the protection of sperm during ejaculation by secreting an alkaline mucus fluid which neutralized the acidity of urethra. Next question, single choice. In pteridophytes, meiosis occurs in option number A, egg, B, zygote, C, antherozoids and D, spore mother cells. Correct answer is D, spore mother cell. The sporangia produce spores by meiosis in spore mother cell. The spores germinated to give rise to inconspicuous small but multicellular free-living mostly photosynthetic thalloids gametophytes called prothallus. Question number 24. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Option number A, yeast, ethanol, B, streptomycetes, antibiotic, C, coliforms, vinegar and D, methanogens, gobar gas. And correct answer is the C, coliforms, vinegars. Coliform are a broad class of bacteria found in our environment, including the feces of man and other warm-blooded animals. The presence of coliform bacteria in the water body indicates the high BOD of water. Acetobacter aceti is used in the production of vinegar. Next questions. Which one of the following is the product of the dark reaction of photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, ATP, pyruvic acid and phosphoglyceraldehyde. And correct answer is the D, phosphoglyceraldehyde. And phosphoglyceraldehyde is the produce of dark reaction which is formed when 12 molecules of 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid react with 12 molecules of NADPH. Next questions, which one of the following would occur during bolting? Option number A, uptake of water, B, elongation of internodes and C, uptake of mineral salts, D, extensions of lamina. Correct answer is the B. And gibberellins promote bolting, internode elongation, just period of flowering in beet, cabbage and many plants with rosette habit. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a component of saliva? Option number A. Saliva contains electrolytes sodium, potassium, chlorine and HCO ions. Alpha ptyalin, salivary amylase. C. Mucin, lysozyme and thiocyanate ions. And D. Antibody IgM. Correct answer is the D. Antibody IgM. Saliva is a watery substance located in the mouth of animals secreted by the salivary glands. Human saliva is 99.5% water, while the other 0.5% consists of electrolytes, mucus, glycoproteins, amylase, and antibacterial compounds such as the secretory IgA and isozyme. The enzyme found in saliva is essential in beginning the process of digestion of dietary starch and fats. This enzyme also play a role in breaking down food particles entrapped within dental crevice, protecting teeth from bacterial decay, and antibody IgM is not present in saliva. Correct answer is D. Next question number 29. The cell wall consists of option number A. Lignin, hemicellulose, protein and lipid. B. Hemicellulose, cellulose, tubulin and lignin. C. Lignin, hemicellulose, pectin and lipid cellulose. And D. Lignin, hemicellulose, pectin and cellulose. Correct answer is D. Cell walls consist of lignin, hemicellulose, pectin and cellulose. Next questions. In a Mendelian dihybrid cross, the probability of getting seeds with genotype RRYY, RRYY, RRYY and RRYY in F2 generation is respectively option number A 2/16, ratio 4/16, ratio 1/16 and ratio 1/8. And correct answer friends, correct answer is the first A option. In a Mendelian dihybrid cross, the genotype ratio is capital R, capital YY, ratio capital R, small r, capital Y, ratio R Y capital and small y, ratio R capital, small r, Y capital, small y, and ratio small rr, capital YY, ratio small rr, capital Y and small y, and ratio rr capital and small yy, and ratio r capital, r small and yy small, ratio rr small is 1:2:2, ratio 4:1:2, ratio 1:2 and ratio 1. Next and last questions friends. Which one of following elements is not an essential micronutrients for plants growth? Option number A zinc, B copper, C calcium, D magnesium. And correct answer is the friends calcium. Essential micronutrients are ferrous, magnesium, zinc, and essential macronutrients are तो फ्रेंड्स अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और इसका पीडीएफ का लिंक मैं नीचे दे दूंगा, वहां से आप इसका पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ गुड डे।